Every engine needs protection, and nothing protects it quite like the oil filter. But here's the shocking truth. Not all oil filters are created equal. Some can trap every particle and preserve your engine for hundreds of thousands of miles. Others fail quietly, letting debris circulate and slowly destroy vital engine components. Today we're putting FRAM, Mobil 1, K and N, and Walmart oil filters to the ultimate test, under extreme heat, pressure, and filtration challenges, to see which filters protect engines and which could be silently damaging them. Before we begin, a quick reminder: like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mechanic-tested car advice that could save you thousands. 1. Why oil filters matter. The oil filter is your engine's first line of defense. Every drop of oil carries dirt, metal particles, carbon deposits, and other debris. If these impurities circulate, they can accelerate wear on pistons and cylinders, damage camshafts and bearings, clog oil passages, reduce engine efficiency, cause catastrophic failure over time. Choosing the wrong filter is more than a minor mistake. It's potentially engine-ending. 2. The contenders: FRAM, Mobil 1, K and N, Walmart. We chose these 4 brands because they represent the spectrum of what drivers buy. FRAM: popular, affordable, marketed heavily to consumers, often critiqued by mechanics for reliability. Mobil 1: premium synthetic oil brand with a high-performance oil filter line. K and N: known for high-flow filters, often used in performance applications. Walmart brand: budget-friendly, widely available, but largely untested in professional shop environments. The question: which one actually protects your engine the best? 3. Test methodology. We conducted several real-world and lab-based tests. Filtration efficiency test. We measured how well each filter captured particles down to 20 microns. Flow rate test. Ensured oil moves fast enough to reach critical engine parts without starving components. Durability test. Filters subjected to high heat, pressure, and long-term operation. Real engine test. Installed in high-mileage engines to observe wear and debris, capture over thousands of miles. 4. Test findings. Filtration efficiency. The particle capture test revealed some shocking results. FRAM caught most large particles, but missed small debris in multiple trials. Mobil 1 consistently captured nearly 99% of debris, including microscopic particles. K and N: high flow, slightly less efficient at trapping very fine particles. Best for performance but not maximum protection. Walmart brand: missed the most particles, particularly under high pressure. Tiny debris slipped through consistently. Mechanics confirmed, even tiny particles circulating in oil can accelerate wear over time. 5. Too slow, and engine parts starve for oil. Flow rate is crucial. Too slow, and engine parts starve for oil. Too fast, and filtration efficiency drops. FRAM: adequate flow at normal operating conditions. Mobil 1: excellent flow, even under extreme pressure. K and N: exceptional flow, slightly reduced filtration under peak conditions. Walmart brand: flow acceptable initially but collapsed under high pressure, potentially starving engine components. 6. Durability. Under extreme conditions, oil filters must survive heat and pressure without collapsing. FRAM: some deformation under extreme heat. Mobil 1: no deformation, maintain shape and integrity. K and N: held up well, media slightly stressed under high heat. Walmart brand: filter media collapsed at high temperature, risking oil bypass in engine wear. 7. Real-world engine test. We installed all 4 filters on identical high-mileage engines for 10,000 miles. FRAM: small particles began accumulating in oil pan. Minor wear observed. Mobil 1: engine remained extremely clean. Minimal wear noted. K and N: high oil flow helped performance engines. Minor fine particle accumulation. Walmart brand: debris bypassed filter, visible scratches on pistons and bearings. 8. Mechanics verdict. From real-world experience and lab data, Mobil 1: best overall protection and durability. Premium, reliable, safe for high mileage and performance engines. FRAM: good for normal use, but watch for fine particle circulation in older engines. K and N: ideal for performance and high-flow needs, but slightly less filtration efficiency. Walmart brand: budget-friendly but least reliable. High risk of engine wear in long-term use. 9. Key takeaways. Not all oil filters are equal. Choosing the wrong filter can accelerate wear and reduce engine life. High-quality filters like Mobil one protect your engine better, even if more expensive. Budget filters may seem fine initially, but can allow particles through, silently damaging components. Performance filters like K and N are great for flow, but may sacrifice microscopic filtration. Regular maintenance and choosing the right filter for your engine's needs is more important than brand recognition alone. 10. Final advice for car owners. Always replace your oil filter with one that meets or exceeds OEM specifications. Don't rely solely on price or popularity. Research efficiency and durability. For high-mileage engines, premium filters can save thousands in repairs. Never mix low-quality filters with premium oil. The weakest link may determine engine longevity. If this video helped you understand which oil filter protects your engine, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more in-depth mechanic-tested car insights. Your engine will thank you.